What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother's wheels and makeup lover, of course. For today's video, I wanted to play around with the brand new Nomad Cosmetic American Route 66 eyeshadow palette. When I seen this, I immediately thought of Cars. My kids love that movie, and this is giving all those vibes. It's definitely giving more like, I feel like, I don't know, brown just kind of gives me like Western vibes, but the packaging is pretty interesting. There's just like a lot going on. When I showed my husband the palette, he was just like, oh, like all the places on Route 66. And I was like, yeah, exactly. Like he got it like right away. So this is what she looks like. This is the packaging. And this is the inside. You could clearly see which route we're going to be taking today. Whenever I get a new Nomad palette, I always like to tell you guys the cause because they do support some amazing causes. So I love that the card is a little license plate thingy. It's also pretty large. So the cause: we are proud to support the Nature Conservancy and their work to maintain the health of the iconic prairies of the central US. Love that. This is going to be look number 1 of using this eyeshadow palette, so definitely stay tuned because I will be doing plenty more looks. Just in general, she does all of the things over here, okay? But yeah, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned till the very end of the video where I'll do an up close of my eyeshadow look for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And if you're curious about the products that I used to achieve this makeup and how I did it, definitely keep on watching. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go in with kind of like the teals and the greens, but I actually think today I want to do the browns and the pinks. I don't know why, I've just been having this like pink vibe going on. I'm going to start by taking this dark brown right here. I'm taking this on a fluffy doe color brush. I'm just going to blend this right into my outer corner. This was the doe color X Beauty by Bianca collab that they did. So pretty. I'm just gonna smack this down right here. I'm dusting that brush off. I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the edges out of that. A little further in, a little further out. I'm going to take this Elmer Cosmetic brush and this pink shade, Go West. Same thing, blending the edges further in and further out. Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. And then that same brush, I'm going to take this light pink shade called Gemini Giant. And then just going back in with the previous shades. I think I want to take this light skin tone shade here. Just pack it all in this inner corner. Shade's very kick-uppy, but also super buttery. I'm going to take shade Monger Moss right here. And then Gateway Arch right here. I'm going to take the Balm Shwing liner, the brown one. And then just to make sure those match, I'm going to take that dark brown shade and just tap over that while it's still wet. There's just something about like browns and pinks together that is just so perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these little Amazon lashes. I wanted to go in with the Lancome Teint Idole foundation today. I can't remember if this shade matches me or not. Oh, it's pretty. That's pretty darn yellow. And I went ahead and I mixed it with some of my LA pigments, the white and the blue one together. So hopefully This is a nice shade that'll match once it's all blended in. That is super just not my shade, but I'm just gonna push past it because once I put everything else on, I should be able to fix it. Here's hoping. What is this shade? 100 warm. Yeah, I'm definitely not a warm undertone girly. Let's go ahead and go. I'm gonna go in with the curve case. We're just gonna ignore the rest of the makeup for now. I'm just taking this Unearthly stippling brush. That already makes, just the contour already makes the foundation look much better. I'm gonna go in with concealer before I do blush because the blush is very lightweight. This is the Lancome Teint Idole Concealer. And then I'm going to mix it with the Pink Honey X Cariad Angel Cake Corrector. That's what it is. And then I think I want to take shade Coral because I feel like that's going to match the eyes really good. That is a really good shade match, actually. I'm going to take the HNB Soft Focus Loose Setting Powder. I'm hoping this is going to kind of help out with the color to match my neck a little bit better because she's not matching. I'm going to go ahead and use the HNB powder to bake my nose. I specifically like baking my nose like this because I feel like that helps a lot with my nose contour because I do have such a like wide nose. In case you were wondering. Now I'm going to go in with the Curve Case Pressed same shades powder form. I feel like the powder bronzers are a lot less forgiving than like the cream. Like they're just a lot more true to color, so I'm definitely going to go in with this one. I could probably get away with mixing these two, but this one's definitely too warm for my face, for sure. For show. But I also think that this light one is good for nose contour because it's like more cool tone. And it's like super light. And the blush is shade Coral. I'm gonna set my face before I go in with highlighter. Blend Bunny Celestial Cheek Glaze. And then I'm gonna go with the Mikayla X Glamlite highlighter. I just thought that this one would be like a nice softer like color. The color of it's soft because let's be real here. There's nothing soft about how blinding this Glamlite highlighter is. Okay, here is the completed look. Very, very happy with how this came out. I seen this TikTok on this cute like bun. I'm so bad at doing like messy buns, but this was so easy. So I'm like, this is super cute actually. I want to give you guys my thoughts and opinion on the Nomad American Route 66 palette. The packaging is very much so like there's just like a lot going on, which I don't mind that. I love when the outside packaging definitely gives you kind of like a sneak peek preview of what you're going to find on the inside of the palette. I've told you guys this before, that there's just sometimes where an eyeshadow palette, the packaging is just like so stunning, but the inside doesn't match it at all. Don't dig that vibe. But yeah, this is super cute. I love how you have like the browns and the pinks, and then you have like some like blues and like teals, a couple of like mucky colors. And then of course all the different shimmers. You could do so many looks, especially when you have neutrals with like all kinds of different color shimmers. You could do so many different things. I definitely don't have any complaints. You guys know that I love Nomad's formula. And yeah, she is super duper cute. I definitely want to play with this again and do something else, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for that. But other than that, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.